All right, we're moving up the body for trunk flexion. So visualize where you would use this movement as you exercise.
So the trunk has the ability to crunch forward. You got your rectus abdominis, the six-pack abs that give us that ability to crunch forward. They're separated in the middle, so we might be able to crunch one side a little harder. These layers of abdominals give us the ability to move to the side. And they also give us the ability to rotate, so 3 different directions, okay? So I want to blend all 3 of those and see how far I can go. And grip and pull and feel what muscles are gripping and pulling as you do this. Just hold them. Breathe deeply. And then breathe deeply out and exhaust as much as you can as you max out the flexion and gripping. And then release it. And same thing with the other side. You're pulling forward, rotating, and sideways. To play with that, do it several times over and over and develop this intelligence to control the trunk muscles, which we'll use in skiing at very different extremes. All right, peace.
Trunk muscles, they never stop exchanging, gripping one side or the other, pulling forward, and just real fine motor control of them is good skills.